how to add SmartServe to Uber Eats. So if you use SmartServe, you will be able to sell alcohol on your Uber Eats orders. So here's how we can do it. Just go search for SmartServe and it's going to show you this. It's available for Canada. Just open up this first link that pops up here and it shows us this: the SmartServe responsible sales, service and delivery training programs are approved by the so on and so forth. It is dedicated to advocate for a safer and healthier Ontario. So here what you have to do is register for a SmartServe certificate. So once you click on register, it's going to ask you for the type of account that you want to register for. So we will do individual account, and you will need to provide some information such as your personal information, your account information, contact information, and then you will need to register this account in order to be able to sell alcohol. Now, Uber Eats and SmartServe works a little bit differently, so I'll just show us this article. Here, this article shows us that alcohol delivery is optional. So if you want to opt out of delivering alcohol, you can contact the support team at help.uber.com and you can remove this alcohol delivery order. But if you're delivering alcohol, these are the guidelines that you need to follow. You will need to check sobriety, request the ID, and check the identity, as well as confirm the age. So there are a few different requirements that need to be completed if you're delivering alcohol through SmartServe on Uber Eats. I hope this answers your questions. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.